Have you ever wondered what makes Kuala Lumpur a city like no other? Well, stay tuned, my friends. Hello there, my name is Sarah, and welcome to this video with all your friends here from Passport Journey. Are you ready to discover the beauty and wonders that our world has to offer? If your answer is yes, then you've come to the right place. Now, in this episode, we will discover Kuala Lumpur, a beautiful gem nestled in the heart of Southeast Asia. Kuala Lumpur is a confluence of cultures, a testament to resilience and evolution, a beacon of progress. Kuala Lumpur, or KL as it is fondly known, invites you to a world where the old collides with the new, where the East meets the West, all within a framework of harmony. Let's begin with the city's vibrant, multicultural society. Kuala Lumpur is a melting pot of people, a diverse tapestry of cultures interwoven into a rich, colorful fabric. From its early days as a humble tin mining town, Kuala Lumpur has grown into a metropolis that is home to Malays, Chinese, Indians, and a multitude of expatriates from around the world. This mosaic of cultures has influenced the city's architecture, traditions, festivals, and even daily life. Speaking of architecture, the cityscape of Kuala Lumpur is a fascinating blend of the old and the new. Here, colonial buildings stand with an air of quiet dignity alongside towering skyscrapers that reach for the heavens. The Sultan Abdul Samad building, a Moorish-style masterpiece, sits in contrast to the gleaming Petronas Twin Towers, once the tallest buildings in the world. Such juxtapositions are not contradictions, but rather a testament to Kuala Lumpur's ability to balance tradition with progress. The city's charm doesn't end there. The fusion of cultures has also seeped into the culinary scene, resulting in a smorgasbord of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. From the local street food in Jalan Elor to the high-end dining experiences in the Golden Triangle, Kuala Lumpur has something for every palate. And let's not forget the city's soul. The people of Kuala Lumpur, with their warm smiles and hospitality, make the city truly special. Their resilience, their spirit, their ability to embrace change while holding on to their roots is what gives Kuala Lumpur its unique charm. So, are you ready to explore this city of contrasts, this city of unity and diversity, this city that is a world unto itself? Let's dive into the magic of Kuala Lumpur and uncover its unique charm. Imagine walking through streets that whisper tales of a bygone era. As you meander through the heart of Kuala Lumpur, you'll find yourself surrounded by architectural wonders that have withstood the test of time. Among these remarkable structures stands the Sultan Abdul Samad building, a testament to Kuala Lumpur's colonial past. With its unique blend of Moorish, Indo-Saracenic and Neo-Gothic styles, this iconic building paints a vivid picture of the city's history under British rule. It's not just a pretty face, though. This building has played host to some of the most significant events in Malaysian history, including the Declaration of Independence in 1957. Just a stone's throw away from the Sultan Abdul Samad building, you'll find Merdeka Square, the beating heart of Kuala Lumpur. This isn't your ordinary city square. Merdeka Square, or Independence Square, is the birthplace of a nation. It was here, on the 31st of August, 1957, that the Union Jack was lowered for the last time, and the Malaysian flag was raised, marking the country's newfound freedom. Today, Merdeka Square is more than just a historic landmark. It's a symbol of national pride, a place where past and present coexist. Now let's journey a little further afield to the National Museum, the custodian of Malaysia's rich cultural and historical heritage. Housed within its walls are artifacts and exhibits that span centuries, providing a window into the country's past. From prehistoric times to the present day, the National Museum invites you to embark on a voyage through time, unraveling the threads of Malaysia's diverse cultural tapestry. These historical landmarks, each with its own story to tell, are more than just remnants of a bygone era. They represent the soul of Kuala Lumpur, a city that has evolved and transformed over the years while staying true to its roots. Amidst the hustle and bustle of modern city life, they stand as silent sentinels, bearing witness to the city's journey from a humble tin mining town to the vibrant metropolis we see today. These historical landmarks make Kuala Lumpur a city that beautifully marries past and present, What if your eyes could feast on a cityscape that blends tradition with modernity? Now imagine a city that does just that. Kuala Lumpur, a place where the old and the new coexist in a harmonious symphony of architectural brilliance. The city's skyline is adorned with modern marvels that have become synonymous with the city's identity. First up, we have the Petronas Twin Towers. These twin wonders, standing at an impressive 1,483 feet, were once the tallest buildings in the world. Today they remain the tallest twin towers globally, their gleaming silver facades reflecting the city's aspirations and achievements. The sky bridge that connects the two towers is another wonder. Suspended at a dizzying height of 170 meters, it offers a stunning view of the city and beyond. It's like standing on the edge of a cloud, peering down at the world below. Another jewel in the city's crown is the Menara KL Tower. This communication tower, standing at 1,382 feet, is the seventh tallest freestanding tower in the world. But it's not just its height that makes it special. The tower is home to an observation deck that offers a panoramic view of the city. It's like having the city laid out before your eyes, every nook and cranny visible in all its vibrant glory. These architectural wonders are not just about height and grandeur. They hold significance far beyond that. They are symbols of Kuala Lumpur's rapid growth and development, embodying the city's journey from a small tin mining village to a bustling metropolis. They are a testament to the city's resilience, its ambitions, and its dreams. So when you look at the Kuala Lumpur skyline, remember that you're not just looking at buildings. You're looking at a city's past, its present, and its future. You're looking at a story of transformation and progress, etched in steel and glass against the backdrop of the sky. The skyline of Kuala Lumpur is a testament to its rapid growth and development. Ever tasted a blend of flavors that takes you on a culinary voyage? Welcome to the melting pot of flavors, the culinary heart of Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Here, food is a way of life. It's a conversation starter, a bond builder, and a journey through the rich tapestry of cultures that make up this vibrant city. Every corner of Kuala Lumpur offers a different taste sensation. From the sizzling woks of street food hawkers to the polished silverware of high-end dining establishments, the city caters to every palate. It's an edible adventure that spans continents and centuries, all within the reach of a chopstick or a spoon. As you walk through the bustling streets, your senses are greeted by the tantalizing aromas of spices, grilled meats, and stir-fried noodles. The street food here is a testament to the city's cultural diversity. A plate of nasi lemak, considered Malaysia's national dish, is a symphony of flavor. The fragrant rice, the fiery sambal, the crunchy peanuts, all cocooned in a banana leaf, is an experience in itself. But Kuala Lumpur's food scene isn't all about street food. High-end dining is equally exciting. Restaurants like Nobu and Marini's on 57 marry Malaysian ingredients with international culinary techniques to create dishes that are as visually striking as they are delicious. The city's culinary landscape is shaped by its multicultural residents. The Malays, Chinese, Indians, and many others have all left their indelible marks on Kuala Lumpur's food scene. From the spicy curries of Little India to the dim sum breakfasts in Chinatown, each dish tells a story of the people and their traditions. Whether it's slurping a bowl of laksa in a bustling hawker center, savoring a delicate piece of sushi in a swanky restaurant, or biting into a crispy roti canai at a roadside stall, every meal in Kuala Lumpur is a celebration of diversity. It's a city where food is more than just sustenance. It's an art form, a cultural expression, and a testament to the unity in diversity. Kuala Lumpur's food scene is a gastronomic adventure waiting to be discovered. So, are you ready to embark on this flavorful journey? What if you could escape the city's hustle and bustle and find solace in nature? Well, in Kuala Lumpur, you can do exactly that. Just a stone's throw away from the city's towering skyscrapers, you'll find the Batu Caves. This limestone hill, with a series of caves and cave temples, is an iconic and popular tourist attraction in Selangor. As you ascend the colourful 272 steps, you're not only met with spectacular views, but also a sense of spiritual tranquility. The caves are a testament to the intricate relationship between nature and culture, where history and spirituality are etched into the very stones. Then there's the Kuala Lumpur City Centre Park, also known as KLCC Park. It's not your average urban park. With nearly 50 acres of carefully maintained greenery, it's a breath of fresh air right in the heart of the city. The park's symphony fountain and children's playground make it a popular spot for families, while the jogging track and footpaths offer a peaceful retreat for those seeking a moment of quiet amidst the city's hustle. Last but not least, we have the Forest Eco Park, formerly known as the Bukit Nanas Forest Reserve. This is the oldest permanent forest reserve in Malaysia, and it's right in the heart of Kuala Lumpur. This urban jungle offers a unique experience where you can stroll along the canopy walkway, suspended high above the forest floor, and feel the cool, crisp air while being enveloped by the lush greenery. These natural wonders show a different side of Kuala Lumpur. They offer a break from the city's fast-paced lifestyle, allowing you to slow down, breathe in the fresh air, and take a moment to appreciate the beauty of nature. So you see, Kuala Lumpur is not just a concrete jungle. It's a city that embraces nature, offering peaceful retreats amidst the urban landscape. Ever experienced a city that comes alive as the sun sets? Kuala Lumpur is a city that truly embraces the night. As dusk descends, the cityscape transforms into a vibrant playground, pulsating with energy and excitement. First, let's talk about the night markets, or pasar malam, as locals call it. These bustling bazaars are a feast for the senses. The air is filled with the tantalizing aroma of sizzling street food, the sights of colorful trinkets and clothing, and the sounds of lively bargaining. Each market has its unique charm, offering everything from fresh produce to vintage collectibles. It's a treasure trove for those who love a good bargain and an adventure for food enthusiasts. Now, if you fancy a more sophisticated evening, Kuala Lumpur's rooftop bars are not to be missed. Perched high above the city, these bars offer stunning panoramic views of the glittering skyline. Imagine sipping on a refreshing cocktail while gazing at the city lights twinkling like stars beneath you. From chic lounges to swanky terraces, there's a rooftop bar to suit every mood and taste. For the partygoers, Kuala Lumpur's nightclubs are the pulsating heart of the city's nightlife, with a diverse range of music genres from pulsating EDM to soulful jazz. These clubs cater to all. The energy is infectious, the music is invigorating, and the atmosphere is electrifying. It's a place where memories are made, friendships are forged, and nights turn into mornings. And for those seeking unique experiences, how about dining in the dark? Yes, you heard it right. Kuala Lumpur offers this extraordinary sensory experience where you dine in complete darkness, heightening your sense of taste and smell. It's more than just a meal. It's an adventure that challenges perceptions and broadens horizons. Kuala Lumpur's nightlife is a spectacle of lights, sounds, and experiences that keep the city awake. It's a city that invites you to explore, to discover, and to experience its vibrant heart long after the sun has set. It's a city that never sleeps, and neither will you. So, what makes Kuala Lumpur a city like no other? Well, let's take a moment to look back at all we've explored today. Kuala Lumpur is a city that wears many hats, each one more intriguing than the last. It's a place where history and progress dance a fascinating tango. Remember our stroll through time? The city's rich past is not confined to dusty pages of history books. It lives, breathes, and thrives in its colonial architecture, in the stoic gaze of the Sultan Abdul Samad building, and in the whispers of the old railway station. Yet, Kuala Lumpur doesn't just rest on the laurels of its past, it reaches for the stars, quite literally. The Petronas Twin Towers and the Kuala Lumpur Tower, architectural marvels that pierce the sky, are testaments to the city's ceaseless ambition. They're not just tall structures of steel and glass, but symbols of a city that's always on the move, always reaching for greater heights. Now, an exploration of Kuala Lumpur would be incomplete without a dive into its culinary scene. It's a veritable melting pot of flavors, where the tastes of Malay, Chinese, and Indian cuisines meld into a delectable symphony. From the street-side stalls of Jalan Alor to the upscale eateries of Bukit Bintang, the city is a food lover's paradise. Each dish tells a story, each flavor a testament to the city's cultural diversity. And let's not forget the city's natural wonders. Amidst the hustle and bustle, Kuala Lumpur offers tranquil retreats that whisk you away to a world of lush greenery and serene water bodies. The lake gardens, the KL Forest Eco Park, they're the city's lungs, offering a breath of fresh air, a moment of respite from the urban rush. As the sun dips below the horizon, Kuala Lumpur dons yet another hat. Its vibrant nightlife comes alive, with the pulsating beats of Changkat Bukit Bintang and the lively hawker stalls of Jalan Alor. It's a city that never sleeps, where every night promises a new adventure. In essence, Kuala Lumpur is a city that defies definition. It's a historical treasure, a testament to human ambition, a culinary hotspot, a haven of natural beauty, and a nightlife hub, all rolled into one. It's a city of contrasts and harmonies, of history and progress, of tradition and modernity. It's a city that captivates, surprises, and enchants. It's a city that you will fall in love with over and over again. For more travel tips and products to help you on your traveling journey, check out the links in the video description below. And if you are new here, you liked the video, and we've given you some value, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for our newest videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, this is Sarah from Passport Journey saying, I wish you happy trails, safe travels, and good luck on your next destination to Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia.